How to enable console sharing and offline play on PS5. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate primary account on your PlayStation 5 so that anyone that uses your PlayStation 5 can play your games and media even if they're offline. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to do this from the main screen of our PlayStation 5, we just need to go up to the top menu, go to the right until you get to the gear for settings and select settings. Once in the settings, go down to users and accounts, select that, and then in this left menu here, go down to other, select other. From there, go to console sharing and offline play, select that, and then if you see don't disable and disable as your two options, that means you already have this enabled and your account currently is the primary account on your PlayStation 5. But if not, go ahead and select enable, give it a second, and then once it says you've enabled console sharing and offline play, select OK, and then you're done. You can go back and you have now activated primary account on PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.